Mm-hmm.
Hey, what's up, guys? Just a quick update on the portfolio. As you can see, we are still in the red, $59. That's the current unrealized loss.
Holy but Jesus.
But as you can see, the portfolio value is still just shy of $5,000. So it's $4,996. So that means that we have been working proactively and taken some gains along the way and secured some profits. Since the last video, I had done many trades, as you can see here, from the 28th, 27th, 26th, and so forth. Many of the new investments have been just buying the dip for mostly $20 in each of those trades.
Yeah, but they were all bad.
So, for example, Aker BP, Glencore, H&M, and so forth. You can see those investments right here. Also, I have delved into a corn ETF because I saw that it had some favorable trading patterns there. Bullish RSI divergence last month, and then the price seems to have bottom and is now turning upwards. So that price also opened higher than yesterday's close when I bought that ETF. Yes, let me see if I can find that corn ETF here. I'll just show you on this CFD actually here. As you can see, we had this most recent bullish divergence happen in January this year. So as you can see here, after that bullish divergence, the price just trended more down and bottom out on the Monday, the 26th of February. And then on the Tuesday, 27th, we had also a positive day. So the price on the Monday, the 26th, it closed at 418.8, and then it opened at 418.8. So that's okay, since we have this bullish divergence. So that's when I entered that position. And then today it has also trended, continues to trend upwards now. And hopefully we can catch a little upside potential maybe to this level. I believe this is the 100 EMA. So that will give us a nice potential upside there of roughly 10-11%. So if you manage to break this level right here, that is about, I believe, 5% up. So if it goes 5% in the green, then I will set the trailing stop loss and then hopefully catch the next 5% and then just drift upwards as long as it gets. It will most likely get a pullback and then we'll be stopped out, but then at least we have secured a 5% gain right there. So that is what I'm hoping for right now, and double down on 3M. And the main reason for that trade is as follows. So you can see we have had quite a bullish divergence. So you can see that the RSI is trending nicely upwards for quite some time, actually back in for a month now. At the same time, you can see that the price, the stock price, has been trending downwards. So from here, you can see that the price just trends down. And that to me is an indication that we might see some upward pressure, because even though the stock is selling off, it sells off at a smaller volume. So the momentum is decreasing as the stock price drops. And that to me indicates that there are fewer sellers as the price goes down. And then that means that we can have some upward momentum. They had positive earnings. And I've also noticed that the price now actually from the 20th of February is trending a little bit upward. So that's why I decided to add a position actually today. From this price up, if it gains, let's say 4 or 5%, let's say to the 50 EMA, roughly around there, 5% gain, then I will set the tight stop loss and hopefully we can catch the ride and close this gap. So you can see that we have in the portfolio, we have an unrealized loss now of almost $61. But the portfolio value, we started off with a little over 5,000, but we're just down shy of, let's say, $5-6. That means we have some huge potential here. And the main reason for this drawdown that we have here is these stocks. So the oil and gas sector has been hit hard lately.
No more complaining.
And we are relatively exposed to this sector. So you can imagine that we start off with 5,000 and we have already over $600 invested. So it's over 10% of the portfolio. So it's actually 160, just round down to 160. So 640 we have invested of 5,000. So we have almost 13% exposure to these three stocks. So I guess I will probably not increase the position, especially not in Equinor, even though I think the stock is getting hammered and we have breached many levels there. We're very oversold, so it will not surprise me if we have an upward momentum soon. The same with, let me see, Aker BP. The same story right there. Yeah, this Tbanks I bought today. Hard sell-off before earnings. They had a positive earnings call. They beat both earnings and the revenue, and it's just been trending nicely upwards. So initially, I would probably have bought on Friday, February 23rd, because it opened higher than yesterday's close. But at that time, I didn't catch that stock, so that's why I initiated a position in Tbanks today. So the rationale for the dip buying is that I usually don't buy on red candles. So let me see if I can show you what I mean here. RBE, for example. Yeah, so I bought the dip there yesterday on the 27th, and that is this green candle right here. So for example, if it trends downward like this, I don't buy. In hindsight, obviously, I would have been happy to buy at this level. So yesterday's low, for example, around 30 euros. But you can never know what happens in the future. So that's why I don't buy when it has a red candle. I wait until we have a green candle. So that was what we had yesterday on the 27th of February. Yeah, I'm a little bit skeptical for this market. So the positions I've added so far recently is only, you can see, mostly $20. The 3M position, $40, a bullish divergence, and they have a nice cash flows and everything. Is steady going there, and the price action is also favorable, I think. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Catch you on the next one. Do you feel it in the air?